Hi everyone and welcome. In this video we will cover MQTT over WebSocket. Okay, so previously we have used this MQTTHQ free and publicly available MQTT broker to exchange the data between publisher and the subscriber in the Node-RED, and there we have used this broker URL and the TCP port. Okay, we haven't used this WebSocket port and the WebSocket path. So what is MQTT over WebSocket? Okay, so instead of using TCP communication, we are using WebSocket to exchange the data between our publisher and the subscriber. So if anyone asks you to how to configure that in the Node-RED, then in this video we are going to cover that. So let us go to the Node-RED. We are going to take the inject node to inject the timestamp data. We will take MQTT out node as our publisher. Okay, we will take MQTT in node as our subscriber. Here also we will take one debug node to display the data on node status. Okay, now we have to configure our MQTT in and MQTT out node. So in the MQTT out node, you have to create a new MQTT broker configuration. And whenever you are using MQTT over WebSocket, you have to specify ws:// and then you have to specify the broker URL. Okay, so I'm going to copy this broker URL. I'm going to paste it here. And then after colon, you have to specify the port number. So port is 8083 for WebSocket. Okay, and after that, you have to specify the path of the WebSocket. So here we are going to specify /MQTT. Okay, so here I'm going to specify /MQTT. There is no security. Okay, so I'm going to leave this field blank, and that's it. So it's our MQTTHQ broker. Okay, I'm going to add it, and the topic we are going to publish the data is Pylene topic. It will remain same, and the QoS will be 0, and it's our publisher. And that's it. We are going to press done, and here also we are going to use the same broker configuration. Okay, WebSocket broker configuration, and we are going to use the same topic, Pylene topic. The QoS will be 0, and I'm going to press on done, and we are going to deploy the solution. Okay, so as you can see here, our publisher is also connected to the MQTT broker, and our subscriber is also connected to the MQTT broker. So if anyone asks you to configure MQTT over the WebSocket in the Node-RED, then this is how you have to configure it. Okay, you have to add new broker. Okay, and once you add new broker, instead of directly putting the server IP address, okay, or MQTT broker host name or IP address, you have to add ws for the WebSocket and colon // and then you have to provide the broker IP address or broker URL, and then after with the colon you have to provide the port number of WebSocket, and then after you have to provide the path of the WebSocket. Okay, and that's it. So once you provide this kind of information here, the port thing will be grayed out. Okay, so it will grayed out, so don't worry about it. And if it has security, then you can provide the security credentials here. Otherwise, leave these things as it is. So MQTT over the WebSocket one is also work same as the previous one. Okay, but the configuration is the only part that will get changed. So if I publish anything from here, okay, you can see we have received the same information. If I again inject anything, then you can see we have received the same information. Okay, so it's MQTT over the WebSocket. We are not using the normal MQTT communication. Okay, so I hope this thing is clear, that if anyone asks you to configure MQTT over the WebSocket, then this is how you can configure it. So if you still have any question or any doubt inside it, then you can put your comments or doubt inside the comment box. Okay, so we will meet you in the next video, and I hope this thing is clear, that how you can configure MQTT over the WebSocket in the Node-RED. Okay, so let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.